Hey there!
Welcome to my channel, all new viewers, and welcome back to all my old followers. Without your support, this journey would be an empty shell inside a black hole in the universe. I want to say it means quite a lot to me to have you here, but now, I'm going to stop talking and think we'll get started with today's video, or what do you say? To make these flowers, you are going to need a dotting tool and a plastic piece, and then gel nail color. You can see on the right corner a video where I apply small dots to create something that will resemble small leaves. In order for the leaves to form a flower, I have applied a small round ball of the solid nail gel glue. The base of the nail is painted with 2 coats of a cat eye color in the color silver. To make the flower pop out of the nail itself, I will apply caviar beads in the middle of the flower in the color gold. When I am satisfied with the application of the flowers and caviar beads, cure the nail for 60 seconds. If you want to know how I did make this teardrops, leave a comment down below. Finish the nail design by applying top coat and cure. I have painted the base of the nail with a light pink gel color, 2 layers of color, and cured the nail between each layer. Using nail decoration, I will create a larger flower for the nail. When I am then satisfied with my flower and the details on the flower, cure the nail and finish the design by applying top coat and cure again. The base of this nail is 2 coats of the color milky white, and before I apply my nail decoration to this nail, I will apply nail glue, where the decoration will be. Cure the nail when you are happy with the application of the nail decoration, and finish the nail design by applying top coat and cure again. Now we have come to the last nail of today's design. What do you think? Feel free to leave your thoughts in the comments section below. Base is the same as nail number 2. I have already applied nail glue, where I will apply my nail decoration. When I am finished with the placement, I will cure the nail. The last step is to apply top coat and then cure the nail again. Well, what did you think of today's video? If there's anything you're wondering about, just leave a comment and I'll answer. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.